Just call the toll-free number on your screen now to see if you qualify for additional benefits, including dental, vision, hearing, and prescription drugs. There is no obligation to enroll. The call and Medicare benefits review are absolutely free. Just call 800-401-4106. 800-401-4106.
Well, now, that should put it to rest for good and all. As far as I'm concerned, when you found that wallet, you shut the gate on any doubts I may have had whatsoever. Your friend was surprised in the act of robbing the doctor, threw the wallet into the bushes where we missed it before.
Suppose robbery wasn't